Today we're removing the stereo from a 2004 Nissan Xterra. We're going to start by setting the parking brake, which is already done, turning ignition to the on position, stepping on the brake and shifting to a lower gear. We're going to start with our pry tool here along the center of the console for the panel that goes around the gear shift here, and lift this entire panel straight up. This will release up. We're going to turn it sideways and move the gear shift back and up and over the gear shift and set this panel to the side. This is going to expose two screws here at the very bottom. I'm going to remove one here, one screw on the right, one on the left. We're going to remove one screw above the car stereo just below the AC controls here on the left. Remove one screw here on the right. Next we're going to grasp the bottom edges of the panel and pull it from the dash, and the panel will release from the dash. This will in turn allow us to push the trigger in on the side of the 12-volt supply. This will push in and release the trigger to be able to remove that connector. As for the connector here at the emergency flashers, we found that using our screwdriver and pushing down on the little trigger at the top releases the trigger, and we can remove that. We're going to remove this panel and set this to the side. This is going to give us two screws on the left side of the car stereo. One at the bottom left, one at the top left. One at the bottom right of the car stereo. The shop's commonly seen in shop for the single CD player not ejecting, which is a very common problem with this stereo. And we get these sent in from everywhere. I'm going to remove the one on the top right there. This will allow us to pull the stereo from the dash. There are several connectors here. We're going to start with the antenna connector here. Grasp the base of that, and that will just release. This is just a push fit. The remaining two connectors here also have triggers on them, and we're going to use our screwdriver again to go down along the back edge of the stereo and push down on that trigger, which will release the clip and allow us to wiggle the connector loose. We're going to do the same for the second. Push the trigger down on the connector to release it, wiggle it loose. This is how you remove the stereo from a 2004 Nissan Xterra. Please see our other videos. Hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have repair questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our number is at the end of the video. Again, thank you for watching.